Okay, what?
Suitcase.
There's no Emil Circus?
No Emil Suitcase.
Where is the Emil Circus?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Well, how about we go to the elevator and hit the 2 button?
No.
But that's where the Emil Circus is.
No Emil Suitcase.
No?
No elevator button.
No elevator button. Can't we go hit the elevator button? No? Oh, okay. Are we not allowed?
Go home.
Yeah? Did you just discover that this room echoes?
I don't know elevator button is.
You don't know where the elevator button is? Well, we can go find it. How about we ask at the desk and we can ask for help?
No.
Okay. Such a man, refusing to
No Emil
ask for directions, huh?
No Emil Suitcase.
Well, why don't we go find it?
No.
Oh, okay.